Elise, and we're on the second page. There's a really fast bit in the right hand that goes like this. I'm going to show you how to do the left hand with that bit. So your left hand is on middle C and E, and you're going to play that with finger 5 and 3. After you've played that, you're going to do pinching 1 and 2 on G and F, and then quickly the bottom finger goes down, ending on a triad. So that was 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 2, 4, that's a big chord, and then 1, 3, 5. This is how it looks when you play it with the right hand. With the C, having a rest on the G and the A. When you play the B in the right, that's when you pinch. Okay, so the next bit, you have to jump all the way down to F and A in the left hand. And then you're coming up to G and B, and then middle C. Okay, so I'm going to go from the triad. Then we do the pinches again with B, with C, with D, with E. Down to F and A, then G and B. This time you're going to do G sharp and B. Okay, I'm going to play all of that without talking. So left hand, middle C and E.